but friendship will not go away.
Friends are hard.
To leave a good friend is impossible.
Chicken cutlets.
Okay.
Mercy.
TK's favorite player? Mercy.
Mercy. If there is a bad friend, we can leave. If there is a good friend, we can not leave. Very good. Birthday, Srinarayana, good day. My favorite player, you. My ambition.
Air hostess. With my Umma, guys.
Become a good doctor.
Keep going, keep going.
Keep going.
ഏഴാം ക്ലാസ്സിലെ ഡോക്ടർ, 10th ഗവൺമെന്റ് എംപ്ലോയി, 10ാം ക്ലാസ്സിലെ DK.
Very pathetic situation, അല്ലേ? This page is booked by DK.
Sneha Sen.
Enjoy the life with someone.